Hey, Daniel Crawford here at Lean Smarts. Just wanted to tell you, if you need to get lean this year to start running your operations at a world-class level and developing your people, I've got just the thing. I'm here in my recording studio because I'm working hard creating a first ever workshop totally free I've called the Lean Smarts Accelerator. And it's designed to get you accelerated and launching into lean success this year. It's going to be 3 sessions starting this week on Thursday, May 14th, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and continuing next week on Monday and Thursday as well. You can sign up at leansmarts.com/getlean. So don't miss out. Go there right now and sign up for it. Here's a quick clip from the introductory scenes of the lesson I'm teaching tomorrow on Thursday. I hope to see you there. Our world looks very different than it did at the start of the year. Things that seemed so secure seem a lot less secure now. But the blessing of every challenge is that it has a way of bringing to the surface our greatest needs. And this crisis is no different. It makes now the time to lean in. I've been through crisis before. I know that first you survive, and then you thrive. I'm Daniel Crawford, and for 8 years I've been teaching people how to get lean. How to run their operations at a world-class level. And now, over the next few days, I'm going to show you why now is the time to get lean. Welcome to the Lean Smarts Accelerator, because it's time to get lean.